Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. I'm your home appliance guy, and I'm here to tell you about some great deals. This is the Black Friday time frame. It's already on sale. You don't have to wait for Black Friday to come in. And we've got kitchen deals like you wouldn't believe. They're all over the store. I'm going to start sharing some of those with you. Here we have a Samsung French door kitchen. The price, after a $1,761 savings, is down to $2,188. That's because it comes with a free microwave, a free range, and a free dishwasher. Let's go look at another one. Okay, here's KitchenAid. Now, KitchenAid is a premium brand. This is the really good stuff. And these deals are all over KitchenAid, but here's an example. We're saving you $3,806. The final price now is $4,093.96. That's because we've got big rebates. KitchenAid right now has up to $1,600 rebates, and Appliance Factory is adding an instant $200 rebate the minute you buy a four-piece kitchen. Let's look at another one. Okay, here we are with an LG French door kitchen, saving $2,570. Unbelievable. Your final price on this is $30.79. It's a really good value. This one here, we just love LG, but you know what? You're going to love it too. You're going to love the savings. Let's go see another one. Okay, I'm here with another Samsung French door, another very nice special, $20.99. You're saving over $2,000, and you're getting a free microwave, a free range, and a free dishwasher. Awesome refrigerators by Samsung. Here's another one right here, another Samsung that we're doing. Looks like we're using this picture here. This is your hub models, you know, the hub with the computers in them. Those are really kind of cool. We're getting that for $27.28, saving over $2,000, and that's for the entire four-piece package. Let's look at another one. Okay, here's Whirlpool's white stainless. This is really cool. This is a side-by-side with the stainless stylings on the handles. We've got the range, we've got the dishwasher and the microwave. Again, the only thing you're going to pay for here is the refrigerator. This whole kitchen here is $19.99. You're getting everything free except for the refrigerator, but it's a terrific value. Right next to it, we have one of the largest values in the store. This is JennAir. JennAir is like the top dog in the store. We really, really like that stuff. We have a range here that sells for $78.99 when you get the entire kitchen, and that comes with a free refrigerator, comes with a free dishwasher, and it comes with a free Pro hood that's not here. We even have a deal if you just want the range. Your range is going to be $49.99, and with that, we'll give you a free dishwasher. So, free's the word. You're really going to like that. Look, there's just kitchen after kitchen after kitchen. There's 3 times as many as I've mentioned to you. Special deals just for Black Friday. A lot of these have free appliances with them. Come in. You're going to really want to see this stuff.